Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is morning in Wisconsin. Oops. Just stopped at Love's for fuel. The last we spoke, we were in Boston. That night, got a load up to pick up in Connecticut the next morning and go to Nye, Montana, which is the northeast corner of Yellowstone on the edges. It was about a 2,100 mile total trip, and to be honest, it was a mistake. It was coming up on Friday, and my thought was, nice long trip over the weekend. The problem is that with what it paid, which was a surface expedite load, it put us in an area that we're 500 miles from nearest real civilization, which will probably be Salt Lake, which we'll probably get to relocate, but that's okay. That's not the point. The point is, to try to maximize your pay per mile on these loads, and we are able to negotiate that on some of these. And it was so late that I just made a bad decision. It's nothing that's gonna bury me or the company or anything like that, but you make too many of those and they add up. So I don't like doing them. But we're making the best of it. It's gonna be a beautiful drive. It's over the weekend. Saturday we're in Wisconsin. We don't have to deliver till Monday, and we got basically 1,075 miles left to go. So we will be in Montana during the day tomorrow, so I'd love to get some filming done. I've already fueled here, and now I am sitting waiting for this guy to move his truck while I just sit here and sit here and sit here. Oh, nobody's behind me, so that's lucky. I'm probably going to stop a little bit later with about 2 hours left to go on my shift. Stop early somewhere that I can do some laundry, and then do some editing, get another episode up. Hope you're enjoying everything. Yeah. So, talk to you soon. Starting to feel some raindrops. Still in St. Cloud. The DJI Mavic is still not doing what it should be doing properly. I've tried a couple of fixes. I've succumbed. We're headed to really, really pretty country that I haven't been to, or at least not as a commercial driver. So here we go. I checked. They have one in stock. So I'm buying a backup to use and send the other one in for repair. So let's get it done.
Yourself?
Good.
Questions at all?
Ooh, scary. Yep, you have one in stock. I checked online. I need one.
Sure, got it.
Thanks. Alright, so went to the back to grab it. This should be, it's overly painless, except for the spending the money part. It's never painless.
It's more oriented around gaming.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A lot of people do that.
Yeah. But I also just do like kind of what you're doing, just like the video, like vlogs, and just.
What's the name of your channel?
Updates and stuff. Mr. Green Arrow. That's
what is it? Right there.
Mr. Green Arrow.
Okay.
It's
I'll link it down below. Jeffrey is like I'm getting the Mavic, and something, an impulse buy. Thanks, crafty trucker. All right, so let me do this. Well, we're done.
Actually, I guess you get a $50 gift card with this.
Score.
Yeah, let's just scan this right up and we'll be good to go.
Can I use it today?
Yeah, for sure.
Memory cards. Thank you. Okay. So I love the Sony A6500. Love everything about it. A couple of other vloggers that I follow really recommend the RXV 100 because it's a point and shoot and it has zoom and it does so much. So I did decide to use it because when I want to run in with it, the camera, it's going to be real easy to use. It does burn through batteries and I'm going to have to get some batteries, but for right now I just spent enough money for today. So back into the truck and almost to North Dakota. So still in St. Cloud, just had lunch, Chick-fil-A. You know, there's always a new scam, and you see them and you go, wonder what that is. But something just screams scam about it. So right here, we're doing 20 ribeye steaks for $30. And I'm sorry, it just screams scam to me. And he's doing announcing and people queue up or line up or whatever you want to say, and then they let a certain number of people to the back of the truck, but you can see they're just sitting there lined up waiting for their turn to go to the back of the truck. What are they doing? Making the steaks in the back of the truck? Makes you wonder, huh? If anybody has any insight to this, 20 ribeye steaks for $30, and if it's a scam, I would love to know. Oh, he's bringing out a box. Very interesting.
He's gonna get out of here. You guys still got that deal with KCLD because you're in line, okay? So that's good. So mention it. Buy a family person family pack. You're gonna get 20 extra free ribeye, okay? But when we move the tent, everybody, we're gonna swing this way so no one gets hit by a car, okay? So swing the line this way. You kind of go that way, okay? Thank you guys. Appreciate it. And thanks for coming out. Southern Pride Steaks, 20 ribeyes for $30 with 1047 KCLD.
I think he's comfortable. We are in Montana, Glendive. I just stopped at Trail Star truck stop. Jimmy recommended, in his own words, the best BLT on the planet. Just did my pre-trip and getting ready to head on. We have, I'm guessing somewhere around 350, 360 miles to go. Delivered tomorrow at 7 a.m. Eastern. It's not confirmed. Considering that's 5 a.m. local, I'm guessing they're wrong. But I could be wrong. 302 miles to go. That's easy. Easy day. Gonna stop, get some footage, maybe fly the new drone. Don't know. We'll see. All right. Onward. More cat. I'm in a little town called Rosebud, Montana, and there was a recreation area on the river, on the Yellowstone River. So I decided to come down here and fly the new drone. I also tried to fly the old one again. It flies fine. There's just a gimbal problem with it where it shakes. Doesn't lose control of the flight, but it's kind of useless. So I've got to send it back in. I've tried just a bunch of other fixes and stuff, and it's just not working. So, but I got a few minutes of footage and got the new drone all set up and all the drivers updated and everything, and did about 10 minutes of flying. Got some nice footage of the river, some nice footage of the town. I'll put that in, or maybe I already put it in, because that happens from time to time. I am, let's see, about 185 miles from our location, and get on the road. And there's
1/2 mile.
Hi, Pete.
To the end of the street, then turn right.
What's up? Huh? What's up, buddy? What's up? What are you doing? You want to say hello? You want to say hi? What? You want to say hi? No? We use the crystals for litter, and we've been talking to friends and trying to get different options for litter. Oh, he's really mad at me now. I blocked his bed. Oh, man. What's up? Come on, get up here. Come on. You want up?
Building route. Proceed southeast on North 11th Avenue in 1/4 mile. Turn left to Main Street.
Oh, he's really mad. I've got all this seat blocked up. What's up, Pete? How you doing? How you doing? You upset that I blocked your seat? Yes, I know you want. Yes, I know you want to sit down. Let me move this stuff for you. We use the crystals for litter because the clay type clumping stuff was really hard to. They're gonna track litter, and it gets in the bed and you clean it out, and that worked. But I think we found a new system we're gonna try that doesn't track at all. So we'll let you know how that turns out. Say hi. I better move the stuff off his bed. What? Oh. Yeah, sure, a good boy. Look over here. Hey. What's up?